getting worse right now.
I know. I wonder if they ever worry about these trees like falling on the hotel.
They've been here for so long.
You hear the wind going through it, so it sounds like the Wizard of Oz. It sounds like the Wizard of Oz. Seriously, go inside, listen by the door. It sounds like the Wizard of Oz. It just does. No, I don't like this.
Are your parents stop?
I'm letting somebody just touch my leg.
Lauren, that's my leg.
I'm shivering. I'm wetting myself. Is this gonna be on YouTube? Shut up! I'm wetting myself.
Joe.
Joe.
Your shirt like lights up when the lightning.
Oh my god, I don't like it. I'm like a disco ball. I don't like this. Mom, I don't like corn.
Lauren, we know. Whoa. Don't lick me.
I did it.
Like it all over. It's just not in one area.
We're gonna die. What if it gets us?
It's gonna snatch you up.
What if that tree falls
Lauren, it
down?
might blow away.
Shut up.
It's a blustery day. I'll hold you down, Lauren.
Stop! I think you honestly should. I might pee myself. I need a new pair of pants. I'm sorry. They're gone. These pants are dead. Wait, what if it hits that tree and that tree falls on us? What would you do? I would wet myself. My pants would be gone. They would...
Holy snappers.
I don't like the storm.
That was a ripper.
Which way do you think the trees would fall if they did fall? I don't know.
Depends where it is.
It depends which way the wind is blowing. I think it would just be these branches that fall.
I'm gonna wet myself. I'm gonna wet myself. What if it like murders us? Oh my god.
It would murder the people on the upper floors first.
But
That's
we
true,
would
probably
still
wouldn't.
have the collision.
It just depends where it hits. I don't know what lightning is. What is electricity?
Matthew, what is lightning?
What is rubbing?
I don't remember.
Hey, the Sues.
It's like daytime out.
I know, like when it stopped, doesn't it just look like the power went out over the water? Who wants to go jump on that water tree? You hear the seagulls? Lauren.
Oh, play the Brandon song. That makes me feel better.
Brandon Middle.
What was that?
Spicy. You might smell.
I'm gonna play the song. I'm playing a song that'll make me feel a little better.
Oh.
That was
That was a big mess.
Just when you think it gets better.
How long has this been recording for?
3 minutes.
You probably hear a lot of blustery days in there. I'm gonna wet myself. Mom, what if I wet myself?
I think it's actually coming closer.
Oh my god.
No!
It is.
No!
I'm gonna go outside.
No!
I'm gonna have Wonder Bag. He's gonna wait.
We're outside right now!
Call your parents if they figure out home.
Oh my god.
Although they could pull right in their garage.
I'm crying.
The thunder's right afterwards. I'm going in.
My pants are wet!
Holy crap.
There's a lot of wind right now. It's pretty.
Giant bug. Don't touch the metal door. It's a giant bug. Don't touch metal. Lauren's freaking out over a bug. Ooh, oh my god. I touched the metal. My crotch is really burned. Target, and I had itchy crotch syndrome, and I go, I have
Shut
itchy
up.
crotch syndrome, and somebody heard me.
Why are we outside? Why am I ruining you guys? What are we doing with our lives? I'm crying, Caitlin. My pants are wet.
Shut up!
Oh, Misty! Misty, we can't drive!
Do this, okay? I don't advise you seeing
Don't drive! It's too misty, right,
Shut
Brock?
up!
It's really windy right now.
Robbie!
Oh my god!
Are you fighting me? Oh my god! Big girls don't cry! Yes, they do!
Can you guys shut up?
No! Come on, myself.
It feels colder now.
Yeah.
The air got cold.
Caitlin, can you please look at that?
Feel the
Please,
front
like,
come
put
through?
your
You want to see my bed?
Oh
Yeah.
my
Can we
god.
seriously have to think over? Because I might wet myself. I'm really bad with sores.
I'm like shaking.
I'm really bad with sores. Like, really.
I want to go try on my new bathing suit.
I don't know, wait,
Yeah, I'm really excited about it.
I hate you.
Can you guys please shut up?
No.
I'm trying to get quality footage.
You're fine. I'm wetting myself. Caitlin!
Lauren, shut up!
What if I die?
Then go inside.
But I don't want to. Then all I would do is like looking outside. I'm gonna die in puddle!
Don't jump against me. Don't blow away. Why is she never stopping? My pants. Now, but
I just want my pants back! That's all I want! This is like world poetry. I'm standing in a giant puddle and it makes me feel very uncomfortable. Guys, please take your picture. So I don't like myself.
Oh god, I just look at you, it's flooding.
A tree branch just fell
do you
down.
see, like, the
A tree
flood?
branch just fell down. Do you see that tree
Wait,
branch?
look at it. You see all the water and everything?
No.
It's like flooding.
I don't like myself. I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
Oh, look at the drones peeking through. Hey,
Yeah.
man.
I don't, oh my god, oh my
My
god.
toe? What the dog is that? Why does it have dogs on me?
My kid's like 7. Did you see that tree branch fall down? My mom's watching the TV.
That was really close.
You know you were a hobo. I wanna be outside.
Fence is right there.
I want to walk with it. The water's like coming up here.
Oh
You see
my
it?
god. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, it's getting like fuller by the second, all the water.
Oh my god.
Lauren, the water is getting up there.
What if I take the back in 5 minutes? I'm honestly so sad. The water's been dry for milk is honestly crazy. Holy crap. What if there's a I don't see the crumple. I know, neither do I. I wonder if I think it's still there. It's crumple. You guys, let's go on the train.
Your mom said look at the sand. It's all full of water.
I know.
Where you walk. And if you walk straight ahead, that's solid water.
I'm gonna wet now. It's like creeping on water.
Yeah, what if I wet myself? Can you take my diaper?